Here's some Sikorsky helicopter trivia. Subscribe. Which model was the first mass-produced military helicopter? Is it A. Sikorsky CH-53, B. H-34C Bell UH-1, or D. AH-64 Apache? The correct answer is B. H-34. What is the name of the Sikorsky dual-use helicopter? Is it A. UH-1 Huey, B. Rate 66 Comanche, C. H-64 Apache, or D. S-70 Black Hawk? The correct answer is D. S-70 Black Hawk. What does the S-92 primarily serve for? Is it A. Agricultural spraying, B. Airline transport, C. Firefighting, or D. Search and rescue? The correct answer is D. Search and rescue. Which Sikorsky helicopter is designed for offshore oil? Is it A. H-60 Black Hawk, B. S-92, C. CH-53 Sea Stallion, or D. Bell 204? The correct answer is B. S-92. What was the nickname for Sikorsky's R-4 helicopter? Is it A. Hummingbird, B. Hoverfly, C. Dragonfly, or D. Skyhawk? The correct answer is B. Hoverfly. What is the production designation for the S-76? Is it A. S-76B, B. S-76A, C. S-76, or D. S-76E? The correct answer is A. S-76B. In which decade did the Sikorsky H-34 enter service? Is it A. 1960s, B. 1950s, C. 1940s, or D. 1970s? The correct answer is B. 1950s. What innovative system is used in the S-70? Is it A. Mechanical levers, B. Hydraulic controls, C. Manual flight system, or D. Fly-by-wire controls? The correct answer is D. Fly-by-wire controls. What year did the S-70 Black Hawk first fly? Is it A. 1968, B. 1974, C. 1980, or D. 1992? The correct answer is B. 1974. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.